Hey guys, it's Mr. Creative here, back again with another video. Today we're going to be making an AiroPonics system. So let's get right into the video. The first part to our AiroPonics system is the containers. Not just one, not just two, but 3 licorice containers. And these will serve as the cylinders that hold our plants. So let's get right into the build process. Okay, so as you can see, we have our 3 cylinders here, and then we also have this these green parts which actually connect all 3 of the cylinders together, and then also this blue tube, and this blue tube can be used for bringing in the humid air from like a humidifier, or it can also be used for fresh air, and you could just use a squirt bottle to mist the plants every once in a while. There's also a white cable in here, and then that is a thermistor, so I know the temperature inside. This is the main container, and then these are the secondaries. So yeah, I'm thinking about, I'm going to install a fan now so that it will blow air into here, so that it will blow air back into these 2 also. So let's do that now. And here's a little 12-volt fan that I connected that just runs off one of those power supply connectors. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I also added some dirt in right now, and you can see where the thermistor is in there and all the different connectors. So yeah, so probably in the next 2 weeks I'll have an update video when we have plants in here, and I can show you guys how it's all working and when it's all plugged into all the other stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Stay creative.